Hello, sixth graders. I'm going to show you today how to use the writing tools using your mouse pad to show your work in Schoology on some of the assignments that you're going to have coming up. For this particular example, we are working with order of operations. So step number 1, count the numbers in your expression. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are going to be 4 steps, and step number 4 is going to be your answer. So use your mouse and write the letters A and S for answer by the 4. If you don't have a touch screen, writing with your mouse is going to be a little bit hard on the first start, but do your best. Step 2, list the steps following the order of operations. So here are your list, your checklist. Is there any parentheses? I noticed that there's one set of parentheses and it's division inside the parentheses. So step number 1 is going to be division inside the parenthesis. There's no other parentheses. I'm going to check for the next one. Exponent. Is there any exponent? Exponent is the little power. So there is an exponent, 5 to the second power. So exponent is my second step. Step number 3, I'm going to check to see if there is any multiplying or dividing. There is a division here, but this division we already taken care of is inside the parentheses. So there's no other divisions. Is there any adding or subtraction? There's an addition. So step number 3 is add. Now I'm ready to show my work. Once you get the step down, step 3 tell you to simplify. I'm going to simplify following these steps. Up here is the colors. You can change your colors, switch your colors as you need to. Unfortunately, I think this feature is only allowing you to use as a writing tool and not as a highlighting tool. So one way that we can do this is we are going to either use this symbol to show that we are doing this inside the parentheses first, or you can box it on the outside. 85 divide 5. At this time, I would go to a separate piece of paper or on your scratch paper and take 85 divide 5 to get me the answer. Don't try and do the division on here because it might be a little bit hard to write and your hand's gonna get tired after a while. 85 divided by 5 is 17. So I'm gonna put 17 down here and then rewrite everything else that we haven't done. So plus 5 to the second power. Let's say that you are doing it and it's not right. You notice that it's not right. There's this thing right here called the undo. If you click on the undo, it will undo your whatever the last thing that you have written. Okay? So once again, 85 divided by 5 is 17. Rewrite everything else, so plus 5 to the second power. I'm done with step number 1. Step number 2 is the exponent. So this is my exponent, 5 to the second power. 5 to the second power means 5 times 5. And 5 times 5 equals 25. So my second step would be 17 plus 25. I'm done with the second step. Third step is add. So 17 plus 25. Once again, I'm going to go to my scratch paper on the side, and I am going to add 17 plus 25, and that is going to get me 42. So 4, 2. That is my answer. Now, step number 4 tell you to input your answer on the next slide. So if you click on to your next problem, it will give you the same expressions, except that it's going to give you a place for you to input your answer or for you to choose an answer. This is the part that you have to show your work, and it is going to be part of your grade. So, happy learning. Good luck.